gente, tudo bem?
Hey people, what's up?
I'm G from Brazil.
And I'm Marcelo, and welcome to All in Brazil channel. Today we're going to try pastel. Pastel is a really typical food from Brazil. It's fried and filled with like meat, cheese. It can be salty, it can be sweet also. It can be filled with Nutella, banana, and a lot of tasty foods. And it's really good, and it's a typical thing from Brazil. So if you're coming here, you have to try it. Yeah?
Yeah.
So let's go?
Let's go.
Let's go. So the pastelaria, that is the place that sells the pastel, it can be found, like you just have to Google pastelaria or pastel and you will find it. But
And also if you go to bars,
yeah,
you can
to
find.
bars you can find. With shop is really good, and
Yeah.
or beer. And also you can find on the feiras.
Oh yeah, in the street markets.
Yeah, on street markets that
Actually,
sell fruit.
the traditional,
Yeah.
the official, is the one that you have in the morning. And the street market starts around 6 or 7 in the morning. It's really nice.
Yeah.
And if you're a teenager, if you're a Brazilian teenager, for sure, you left the nightclub and went straight to this street market to have a pastel after many drinks.
Yeah, and also the pastel with caldo de cana, or
The sugarcane
the
juice.
sugarcane juice. It's really tasty, and it's a combination that you always find in the feiras or the street markets. So this is our tip, and we will show you a pastelaria and the pastels we are eating today. If you are liking this video, like the video, subscribe to the channel, ring the bell to receive all of our videos, and also share this video with a friend.
And ask questions. Marcelo will reply all the
Yeah,
time.
leave a comment. Let's go. So guys, this is the place where we went to eat the pastel. It's called Pastelão, and it has more than 150 flavors. O pastelão, it means the big pastel, like a big one, and it's really big. You'll see at you'll see later in this video. And here you ask, and there is where they fry they mount the pastel and they fry the pastel. It's really good, and I'll show you to you. Hi guys, Giovanni is here, just looking at the menu. Here they have more than 150 different flavors of pastel, and it's hard to choose. So the typical one that you should try, it's the meat, that is carne with azeitona. I don't know how. Or with olives. It's really good. And the cheese one. The other one, they are a mix of a lot of things, and you can try it. And we are decided. You have to be aware of the size also, because they have like the small one, the medium one, and the large one. And maybe it's too big and you can share with your friends, so you can have more than one flavor and share with them to have more options.
Yeah, in Brazil, actually, it's very common to share.
Yes. And what is the pastel is made, the massa? I know it's cachaça. It's cachaça, a sour, but I don't think it's made of trigo. I don't remember. I'll check it out and I'll show you in the description. So guys, our pastel is ready. So look at the size of this pastel. This one is
Minced meat?
is what?
Minced meat?
Minced meat, and it was 10 reales. And this one is with Nutella and strawberries. It was 19 reales. So in total we have it was 29 reales. That is almost $8. $6, yeah, $6.
$6, guys. It's
Yeah.
so cheap and it's a lot of food.
Yeah, so we are sharing the salty and the sweet. Let's
Saúde.
eat. Saúde. Saúde, guys. This is how we say cheers. So let's.
Esse é o
If you are eating this and it's closed, take care with because it's too hot and it can you can have burns. Yeah, it can burn. So guys, this is something, if you come to Brazil, you have to eat a pastel. Try one with meat, one with cheese, and one with what you like.
with chocolate.
Yeah, with chocolate or Nutella. I love palmito. I don't know how to say this in English. I'll write here. It's palmito. It's really, really good. Palmito with cheese. So I finished the salty. Let's go for the sweet. Nutella with strawberries. Take a look, guys. I don't know about you, but I love Nutella, and you? So guys, this was it for today. We showed you the pastel. That is something that you must try if you come to Brazil. If you like this video, like the video, subscribe to the channel, ring the bell, and also share this video with someone that is also coming to Brazil. And if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments.
Bye.
I wish you a safe trip to Brazil. Bye. Guys, this is my favorite part. It's where Giovanna can't eat what she asked, and she gave to me the rest. Yeah, I have to finish. Seriously, you have to try it. It's really, really good. And we've been in a lot of countries, and this is something I've never seen in any part of the world. It's very Brazilian, and you have to try it. So,
Are you happy?
yeah, me and happy. Saúde.